Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: online tools and teaching and learning. Designation by students in education. University of Massachusetts August and Google Training. Keywords: home assessment, community tools, keywords, lunch and new tools page. Google Traders is online data explanation tools and feature real-time data. Google's use explore people search interest and popular the word in using can post and must and trending explore in search include find additional data and like most relevant articles interest over time interest by region trading query and topic after search is terms in which regions and terms most term popular in word user can also make post and complete different terms and have years 200 for it to last 36 hours of understanding relation between them. Learn how to harness and power of Google traders. Tool snapshot. Price free learning social constraint and conventions easy to use 5-star 4.5 ratings and 4.3 rating privacy and privacy accessibility 5.4 rating 5 star 6-star rating class size compressed up to groups and each groups 25 teams class size compare up to 5 groups and each groups have 25 terms complete strengths and knowledge constraint Goldmine price Goldmine trading is free online tool easy to use Google trading sampling and well designation website help center concept explained how to use step by step web help and experience step by step the FAQ selection rules use so user many not fit quick response of question designation Google founded 1998 by library and page Ben Manor Park and Conflict USA. They removed Page and Malaysian USA remove headquarters 204 and collected this Google Pixel assisted Google app supported screen reader talkback full page zoom high contrast setting Chrome include accessibility privacy and create account Google Advanced in services also ask your personal information and to vent profile visitor from cookies and particular remember such performance protect using data in additional this also information manage and help Google service and protect both user Google's and spam Google training overviews videos our route and elected target search hello events view Google training in video is translated Google training smart models DR robots and summer models offer explained before technology and adapted classroom online classroom models analyze tools explained student and training explore getting information port methods student can explain method and requirement split modify students analyze data and form Google search it professional student explore some social students elected these personal interest learning activities with students analyze Google training graphic and classes make informed class description and edited partner in the data science students can explore training science topic English language art students with truth and this interpol and the training data complete search tool shift and other graphic and other relevant course see 7 ways to use training resource what is Google training data Google training how to use training for SEO the most investment state American 10 years old in training 10 data Goldmines how to use Google training first go to Google traders second click in the top connector third they click on button create account register and account return in Google Trader and sign in. Step file to profile page click in possible icon, contact next in tweet button. B. Click on my account. C. Click at the photo and change setting. Venture 6. Explore topic. Venture ban in search relationship. Explore topic and find your what is research and related. I use explained given Google training. B. Click in stories topic vertical writing data. More mouse and graphic discovery training in click time. D. Which is button page explore interest sections. E. Click in trends quick and topic maps. A search from like Facebook. B. Theme and click companies include topic box. C. 8 other themes like Twitter. When to compare see result. Remove terms and compare latest terms in box can click X. Research and web search volume predicting academy form. Explore Google Trading Associate information site. Technology moving and padding 215 reference result using trainers and technology forced and social change. Particular trending e-commerce and CEO. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.